Look at how cute this is. New releases go live in 2 hours. Guys, the best time of day has arrived. It's gonna be a good day for you. Hello Google Fi, a phone plan that can. I haven't even unboxed it yet. This is the best thing of life right now. Good morning guys, happy Friday, happy October day 22, Vlogtober day 23. We are getting it done. So today I need to do a little bit of work, but then the back half of the day is going to be spent cleaning. So if you guys like cleaning content, it's going to be a good day for you. I mean, I hope this is going to be a good vlog for you. If you like cleaning content, we're doing a little bit of that. I'm also showing you guys the new stuff that came yesterday for the shop. I haven't even unboxed it yet, but I've got to do that because I've got to count and make sure I have enough of these business notepads. I mean, I know I have enough, but I mean, I've got to count, and that way I can put accurate numbers on the website because that's restocking today. Everything else is coming to the shop next week, but yeah, it's gonna be a great day. Okay, it's 10 o'clock. The video is done, ready to go. New releases go live in 2 hours, so I have to do that one page, design it, which will take like 2 seconds because it's literally just dropping in the new pattern and colors. So do that really quick, print it, cut it, take a photo, do the listings. There you go. Done. I have everything ready to go for new releases, and I just opened the box of goodies. I'm so excited to share it with you guys. So yeah, let me just share with you guys what is coming to the shop next Friday. So a week, well, I guess this is going up on Saturday. So this coming Friday, all these things will be all these things will be released in the shop then. So let's look at them. This is definitely not the best angle because I don't have a tall enough tripod. That's what I'm trying to say. All right, let's get into it. First things first, look at how cute this is. This says, "You got this." It's just a little notepad where you can just jot down your thoughts for the day. And I think this is so cute. So we have some of those. We have this one, which is like a cheetah leopard print maybe. I'm not really sure. And it just says things to do. Again, you can just jot down a little list, which is really awesome. Of course, we got some more of the business check-ins. This is the version that we had before, but we do have another version. Hang on, I'm like trying to grab from up top here. That looks like this. So it is a little bit different. It still like kind of looks very similar, but there are some differences, as you can tell. Like there's this whole like money in, money out, sales today, and then like another box to like put stuff in. So I think that's the main difference. It just takes out the today's big goal for this one. So anyway, we have that one. And then we have these like rose gold glitter pins. And I think that's everything. Oh, no, I forgot. All right, and then the last one that we have, it says no no problema. Like no problem, but with llama. And it has a cute little llama on here. And it's just like this cute little notepad. Those are all the new things coming to the shop this Friday, so I'm excited. We have limited stock of everything, of course, but if like something sells out or you didn't get something, let me know and I can try to place another order. It all just depends on if the shop I'm ordering from has them in stock. So I know like several things were out of stock right now, but you know, let me know and I'll try to get you guys more, but just so you know, there is limited amounts and there's no guarantee that I can restock anything. So okay guys, I just made this quick little list of all the things that I want to clean today, and it looks like a lot, but honestly I don't think it'll take me that long at all. So I think I'm gonna start with the living room first, and I'll probably do the living room and bedroom first because they like will be the easiest, and then maybe my office and then the kitchen and the bathrooms, because I feel like those are always the areas like I don't want to clean. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and get started cleaning up the living room and we're gonna get it all done. The whole house is clean. It feels so good. I have vacuumed every single floor in this house. So exciting. And it is 3:31. I have a little bit of like social media stuff that I want to sit and do with my computer. So I'm gonna do that, and James should be off in about 30 minutes. So that's exciting. And then I will show you guys what we're having for dinner because I'm so excited about it. It's something I haven't shown you guys yet. It's a fully paleo meal. Like, it's fully paleo, which is exciting, and it's so good. So I'm really excited to eat dinner tonight, but I'm also really excited to share it with you guys. So yeah, I'm gonna get a little bit of work done before James comes home, and I will come back on when it's time to cook some dinner. Guys, the best time of day has arrived. Dinner time. Okay, maybe not the best time of day, but I'm so excited for this dinner. Okay, you guys, this is what I was talking about earlier. It's a full paleo meal, and I'm so excited, you guys. So we had these, I can't remember what day it was, but we did have these one day last week, I think. Maybe it was earlier this week. I don't remember, honestly. It was one of those days where I didn't vlog what we were doing for dinner. So anyway, we had this butternut squash ravioli. And like, it doesn't sound, well, okay, for me, it didn't really sound like it would be good, but I really wanted ravioli. And I didn't want, like, I couldn't find any with vegan cheese and with the almond flour pasta. It was either one or the other. But they had this, and I was like, I'm gonna give it a try. So we paired it with the Primal Kitchen tomato basil sauce. You guys, so good, so good. So I've been wanting this like all week. So finally I placed a Whole Foods order and picked it up. But as you can see, it has little P for paleo, and the sauce does also. So it is a full paleo meal. So excited. But don't you just love it when you get like so excited about a meal and you're just like, this is the best thing of life right now? Same. So I'm gonna cook this and I'll show you guys when it's all done. I'm so excited. Also, forgot to mention, this one came home. Hello. And he's not playing video games right now. Although his shirt says that he will be. Mechanical engineer by day, gamer by night. Although your phone's kind of covering it up. Also, James is getting a new phone.
Yeah, I should be here next week, hopefully.
What did you order?
Pixel 6 Pro.
And that's the Google phone?
Yeah.
Hello Google Fi, a phone plan that can. I just keep seeing the YouTube ads for it, so that's stuck in my head.
I didn't get Google Fi because we have Verizon.
What? But it's the phone plan that can.
Well, I didn't think you wanted to switch phone plans.
I didn't. I just wanted to mess with you. And then we have a sweet little Dixie. All right, you guys, the ravioli is done. Don't worry, I didn't forget about James. His is over there. Mine is here. He made some garlic knots for himself. So sadly, I won't be eating those, but he's gonna have those. But this, give it to me. I'm so excited. Anyway, we're gonna go eat this and watch an episode of Lost. All right, guys, we just got back from a walk. And now it is time for James to work on his video game. And I need to edit this vlog. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I feel like we did a little bit of everything today. So hopefully you enjoyed that. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave a comment. What day are you watching this? Are you watching this on Saturday when it uploads? Or are you watching it later? Let me know in the comments below. Just come say hi and I will respond back to you guys. So definitely go leave a comment. Don't forget to click subscribe. And I will see you guys back here tomorrow for another new vlog. Bye guys.